Hi, my name is Debbie Dunbar. I'm a realtor and a junior partner with Realty Partners. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the senior real estate specialist designation. Joe, who is our marketing specialist, did a great video on YouTube. So I urge everybody to check that out. She goes into a lot about it. So I'm not going to go over all that stuff again. Just watch her video. It's great. But let me expand a little bit on it. I have had my designation for a little over 2 years, and I have had success with it. So a little bit about what I've done with it. I definitely, market it on everything that I do. Very proud of it. It takes in consideration everybody 50 plus. So I think it used to be 55, but it's 50 plus. So that's a lot of people. Just that, here in Florida and really a lot of parts of the country as our, population ages. So it'll teach you about different characteristics about different age groups and some of the things you need to watch for. It touches, different trust funds, power of attorneys, different ways that the older generation can access their money to help them if they need to move on to retirement homes, if they need to, move closer to grandchildren, or it just touches on a lot of things to watch for. And then, of course, it's really important to have a team behind you that you can, turn to, such as lawyers that specialize in seniors, movers and packers that specialize in moving seniors. And there are a lot out there that just do seniors. People that will do estate sales when people are downsizing. A lot of times that might be an important thing. And so if you have all those names, then when someone calls you or someone is referred to you, and you can really help them and let them know that there are people that we can get this done. You will be there and say, we got this. I'm going to help you. You're not alone. And sometimes that's all it takes. That's all they need to hear. A lot of the cases they're moving from a family home that they've been in for years, going to assisted living, and it's very traumatic. So if you just go into it knowing that you're going to have patience. That's probably the biggest thing. Patience, be compassionate, be their advocate. And it's so rewarding. So it's been great. It's been great. I'm expanding on this. I did it in Sarasota, and I'm doing it now in the Fort Lauderdale area. Going to retirement homes. I'm actually putting something together now with a couple other people have different services, and going there because there is a real need for a lot of these assisted living retirement homes where they'll get people coming in and they need to because of medical reasons, or they just want to downsize, but they can't, or they're overwhelmed. They don't know where to turn. And if these places have a realtor where they can turn to and say, this person will take care of you. She knows she has resources, and that just puts their mind at ease, and then you can help them do that process and get them where they need to be so they're happier and well cared for more. So anyway, so that's been great. Also, I have become a preferred realtor with a few of the financial institutions which deal with seniors, different products that help seniors. So I think that's a fantastic thing too. You can also get onto the Senior Real Estate Specialist website. They have different referral groups. I haven't had any luck with that, but it's another avenue. So we need avenues, different resources, different ways to get leads. So I'm on that and get on Facebook, just all the social media, just stating that you're a senior real estate specialist. I mean, and I've referred I had last thing, I had an 80-year-old man sold a beautiful house here. Took a while. He needed that patience. He needed that one-on-one, care. But we got his house sold and referred him to someone in a different state who was a senior real estate specialist whom he absolutely, loved. And he's building a big house. So at, 80 years old, he's not going to retirement home. He's building a big house. So good for him. I hope I'm like him when I get his age. So anyway, but you need that patience, and it's very rewarding. So good luck to everybody out there. If you want, any more information, I'd love to help you out. My email is Debbie with an IE at dunbarrealtor.com. Joe also gave her email on her video. So please reach out to us, and good luck to everybody out there. Bye.